Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Walmart. It's been a while since we've been at Walmart. Y'all know I love to Walmart clearance shop, and I came here this morning to find some clearance vacuums, and I did find one that I will show you towards the end of the video when I get back to my car. But I came to the second store and I did not intend on making a video, but I have found some stuff that is so good at this second store that I had to pull out my camera and make a video and show you what I found. So I'm sorry for the order that this video is going to go in, but I got to show you guys these goodies. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys, I actually just posted this on my Instagram, so make sure that you're following me on Instagram to get these updates in real time. But I posted this on my Instagram. So these are storage bins, you guys, and these are 2-count storage bins. As you can see what the price is, these are 25 cents, you guys, and I'm gonna leave a close-up of that barcode in case you want to scan it to see what the stock is at your store. But it's normally $1.88 for this 2-count storage bin. They're only a quarter for 2 of them. These are great for organizing our stockpiles up underneath those kitchen and bathroom cabinets. You can use these in your pantry. This is such a good deal, you guys. 25 cents for 2, or if you're like me and you're a gift basket maker, you could use one of these to make a small gift basket for someone for only 25 cents. So this is the first item that I wanted to show you guys. I got 4 of these. This is so good. I'm going to get 4 of these for $1. The second thing that I found, I really cannot believe, because y'all know we have been going through to buy hand soap for the past few months. Y'all, this big bottle of hand soap, this is the 11.25 lavender and chamomile soft soap. This big thing of hand soap, y'all. And I'm going to zoom in on the barcode so you can take an image of that to check the inventory in your store. Y'all, these are 25 cents each. Yes, 25 cents each at my store. So I'm definitely grabbing all of them. As you can see, I have quite a bit. These are going to be only a quarter a piece, and I definitely need to get stocked up on hand soap right now. So these are all coming home with me. The next area that you want to check is your travel section or your clearance section. Look at all of these travel items. So because I guess nobody is traveling this year with the pandemic, they have clearanced out not only a lot of luggage, but the luggage accessories. So I use these packing cubes on every single trip that I take, and me and my husband are going to Mexico in a couple weeks. So I needed these items and they came in handy. So these are only $4.10 for the 3-piece packing cubes. Let me show you the barcode once again so that you can check your store. You can scan this barcode on the app to see if they have it in stock. And I also was able to find some luggage tags, y'all. These are only 30 cents. I'm going to go ahead and add these to our luggage. You can see the barcode there, and I got quite a few luggage tags. I also got some fans that we can use in Mexico, because y'all know Mexico is always hot. But these are only 75 cents for these personal cooling fans. Here is a barcode for you to scan on these as well. And if you're someone like me who likes to travel internationally, then you know having a power adapter can be a very big thing. I go out of the country quite a bit, and you want to always have these adapters because they can let your electronics work with the ports in different countries. So this is a 4 USB adapter that you can use in so many countries. These are normally pretty pricey. As you can see, it's normally $19.72. Y'all, is 95 cents. So I'm definitely grabbing a couple of these. And let me show you the close-up of this as well in case you want to check the barcode on that. So I'm about to go up to the front and actually check out with all of these items. And then when I get to the car, I am going to show you the vacuum that I found this morning as well, which is amazing. It is a really dope Shark vacuum. Okay, you guys, so now we are back out in the car. I just checked out. I have my little bins back here, and I got all my soft soap, y'all. I am stocked up on the soft soap. I got 2 bags full of soft soap there. Let me show you my receipt so you can see that everything wrung out like it was supposed to. Y'all see those bins for 25 cents? That soft soap for 25 cents? Yes, that is the bomb. Now let's talk about this Shark vacuum. So this Shark rotator vacuum is normally $219. Y'all know we are not about to pay $219 for this vacuum. So it was marked for $156 on clearance at my store, but this is why it's so important to scan everything, because this baby was down from $219 all the way to $51. And if you know anything about Shark vacuums, that is a crazy deal. So I purchased this vacuum for $51 this morning, and I'm super excited about that because this baby is the bomb. I'm going to put everything that you need in order to check your store for inventory up on the screen. So that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to share these quick little finds with you. Remember, with Walmart's clearance hunting, you always want to check on BrickSeek or check the Walmart app to see if your store has inventory and what the price is before running to the store. These prices will vary by store, so your store may not have these items, or they may have one or two of the items, or they may be a completely different price. So always check before you run. I thank you so much again for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.